let's get started with pericardium and heart. Pericardium, as you can see in this picture, we have a figure A and figure B in the right and left side. Pericardium, as you can see in the figure A, comprising fibrous and serous layers, includes the heart. Heart is a vital organ, pumping blood to the entire body, isn't it? Its pulsation are governed by the brain through various nerves. Since heartbeat is felt or seen against the chest wall, it appears to be more active than the quiet brain controlling it. That is why there are so many songs on the heart and few on the brain. Meditation, for example yoga and exercise, help in regulating the heartbeat through the brain. So, the pericardium, in Greek called around heart, is a fibrous sac which includes the heart and the roots of the great vessels. Here is a great vessels roots that the pericardium is covering them. It is situated in the middle mediastinum, as I said before in the last lesson. It consists of the fibrous pericardium in a blue color, and serous pericardium. As you can see in the figure B, it's a part of the body is sectioned, and there is a fibrous pericardium, its outer layer, and the serous pericardium that contain two layers. Outer one is a partial parietal layer, and the inner layer is visceral layer. Visceral layer of serous pericardium is next to the heart muscles, adjust to the heart muscle, and the parietal layer is separated from the visceral layer, and there is a space, potential space, between parietal and visceral serous pericardium. So, fibrous pericardium, as I'm showing it, includes the heart and fuse with the vessels which enter or leave the heart. Do you know which one is entering to the heart and which one is leave the heart? Yes, exactly. The superior vena cava in the left side is entering to the heart, and the ascending aorta and the pulmonary trunk are leaving the heart. Heart is situated within the fibrous and serous pericardial sac, as I said and showed to you. As heart develops, in this picture, look carefully to the development of the heart and relations to the pericardial cavity. Here is a pericardial cavity, and heart is developing. As heart develops, it invaginates itself into the serous sac without causing any breach in its continuity. The last part to enter is the region of arteria, from where the visceral pericardium is reflected as the partial parietal pericardium. Thus parietal layer of serous pericardium gets adherent to the inner surface of fibrous pericardium, while the visceral layer of serous pericardium gets adherent to the outer layer of heart and forms its epicardium. So let's talk about a fibrous pericardium. Fibrous pericardium that you are looking at here, it's a fibrous pericardium from anterior aspect. Fibrous pericardium is a conical sac made of fibrous tissue. The parietal layer of serous pericardium is attached to its deep surface. The following structures of the fibrous pericardium are noteworthy. Number 1, the apex. Number 2, base. Its anterior, its posterior, and on each side, and its role. What is its role? Yes, it's protection of heart. So the apex is blunt and lies at the level of sternal angle. Here is the apex of fibrous pericardium. Is the back or behind sternal angle. It is fused with the roots of the great vessels and with the pretruncal fascia. Back of the fibrous pericardia, there are great vessels. For example, superior vena cava, ascending aorta, and pulmonary trunk. Number 2 is the base. The base of fibrous pericardium is broad and inseparably blends with the central tendon of diaphragm. Here is the base of the fibrous pericardium that lies at the superior part of the diaphragm. Anteriorly, the fibrous pericardium, it is connected to the upper and lower ends of the body of sternum, as you can see in these pictures, upper and lower part of the body of sternum by weak superior and inferior sternopericardial ligaments, and posterior of the fibrous pericardium, it is located to the principal bronchi, the esophagus, with the nerves plexus around it, mainly vagus nerve, right and left vagus nerve, and the descending thoracic aorta. On each side of the pericardium, fibrous pericardium, it is related to the mediastinal pleura, the mediastinal surface of the lying phrenic nerve, and the pericardiophonic vessels. So, let's talk about serous pericardium. Here is a figure of pericardium and the vessels that are leaving or entering to the heart. This figure is from above. Look to the pericardial cavity that are showing in the arrow, in the transverse and in the oblique manner. Look, we have a superior vena cava and inferior vena cava in the right side, and 4 pulmonary veins, 2 for right and 2 for left side, and pulmonary trunk and ascending aorta. Serous pericardium is thin